A flood watch and a wind advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 46 degrees under cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, rain and wind with a few rumbles of thunder. High 57. Winds east-southeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Rainfall possibly over 1 inch. For tonight, drizzle ending early. Low 42. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. On Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy. High 51. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Thursday night, a few clouds from time to time. Low 35. Winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook. Traffic conditions around our area.